Hello, everyone. This is the first news about tornado hunters. And now I will tell you how things are going with the development. And also, when will the demo version of this masterpiece be released on Steam? The answers will be here and now. The game is developing in a good direction. Every day I add new functions or update old ones. Now I can show you how the map will look approximately, and the main menu. And as for the demo version, it's hard to say, but it's expected at the end of September.